showing you how to make bread with sausages and cheese. Okay, let's start this video. And then 30 grams of milk powder. And the last ingredient for the dry ingredients is 1 teaspoon of salt. So when you put all the dry ingredients already, you will have to mix it evenly. When you're done mixing, now we will put in the liquid ingredients. First, you put in 2 eggs. Make sure the eggs are big. Next one is 1/3 cup of oil. The last liquid ingredient is 1 cup of water. Now we're ready to knead. But if you don't have a mixer, you can use your hands to knead. Now we're going to put the mixture that we just made in the mixer. If you're using a stand mixer, just like this one, mix it 6 to 10 minutes. But if you're using hands, mix it 20 minutes. You have to change the speed. So first you mix it 1. The speed is 1. After that 2. And then 3. Mix it for 6 minutes. When it's done, the dough is going to be kind of sticky. But don't worry, if your dough is sticky, that means your bread is going to be fluffy. It's already 6 minutes, so now we have to turn off the mixer. Now we will open it. Remove the dough from the hook. Well, Love is removing the dough that we just made from the hook. Hi. We will get a new bowl and put some oil on it. So the dough that we just made will go inside this new bowl, and you will leave it for 1 hour so it will grow. So when you're done putting the oil in the bowl, get the dough that we just made and put it inside this bowl. Ask for parents to help you with this. When you're done transferring the dough that we just made, cover it and leave it for 1 hour. While we're waiting for the dough to grow, we are going to cut the fillings. That is cheese and sausage. Make sure to cut 20 parts of the sausage and the cheese. Make sure you wash your hands very well before touching the food. We're done cutting the cheese. Now we're going to cut the sausages. So we are using the jumbo sausages. If you want to use the little sausages, it's fine too. Now we're done cutting. And while waiting, you can do some fun stuff like watch YouTube or many other stuff. I'm eating snacks while waiting.